Hello, teacher. Good evening. How are you? This is my family. In the photograph are my father, my mother, and my three sisters. They are celebrating my father's birthday. My parents. My father, his name is Freddy Osorio Benavides. He is 57 years old. He is a farmer. My mother, her name is Luz Eni Martinez Caldera. She is 45 years old. She is a housewife. My sister, my older sister is Jenny Osorio Martinez. She is a housewife. The second is Dayani Osorio Martinez. She is a student. And finally, my younger sister Isabel Osorio Martinez. She is a 1 year old. My father is tall, slim, with brown skin, black eyes, and black hair. He is characterized by being a responsible, hardworking, and honest man. I admire his determination and his personality, but I don't like that he's so stubborn. In the photo, he is dressed in blue pants and red skirt. He is posing for the photo. My mother is short, white brown skin, black eyes and black hair. She is characterized by her humility, her Christianity, and loving. I love her lot with her family, but I had she is very enough. In the photo is she is dressed in the purple sweater in colorful skirt. She is posing for the photo. My sister Jenny is older my sister. She is 27 years old. She is tall, thin, with fair skin, wavy hair, and black eyes. She is characterized by being an excellent mother and sister. I admire her intelligence, and what I don't like about her is that she doesn't visit me often. In the photo she is dressed in a pink sweater and white pants. She is smiling in posing for the photo. Diane is the second my sister. She is 13 years old. She is tall, thin, with black hair and black eyes. She is very respectful and friendly. I don't like that she doesn't like the rice I read. In the photo is dressed in a white sweater in black sweatshirt. She is slim in and posing for the photo. Isabel is the last my sister. She is 1 year old. She is very quick and funny girl. I love her smile, but I don't like that she cries a lot. In the photo has a colorful dress. She doesn't know it's a photo.